Mm, 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 mm. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Quise, back with another just a chill stream. We gonna come into 2026 changing the name of our streams, man. When it's just like a stream that I just want to chill and ain't really nothing we too much got to do. Like, of course we're gonna have titles of back testing, but the chill ones is when we just in this mode, just doing whatever, you know. We might back test, we might look at the outlook of the week, set up for our analysis videos, and we just do whatever, man. So that's what this is. Give me 1 second, y'all. But what I really need to do is I'm trying to find the best way to set up, or I guess you could say play music while streaming. So we might do a little quick reaction of a video so I can see. Let me type in how to play music while streaming. OBS, yeah, OBS. If y'all don't know, that's what I use when I stream OBS. Mm-mm-mm. I just wanted it to be smoother, and then instead of me playing it through the phone, uh, I'm gonna let y'all listen to it too. Turn it down a little bit though.
Do you want to play copyrighted music on your Twitch stream, but you don't want to get in trouble or have your Twitch VOD muted after you end the stream? In today's video, I'll be teaching you how you can separate your copyrighted music from your Twitch stream VOD, so that way you can play whatever music you want without having your Twitch streams muted. If that sounds good
I
to you,
don't
then
care about no mute the music. I just want to know how to
drop
play
a like on
play
this
it.
video so other streamers can
I
find this
got
video.
copyright
Then
free
we'll take a
music
quick
play.
second to appreciate
I just want to see how you play it.
alerts. So in order to play copyrighted music on Twitch without actually getting our VODs muted, we have to understand how our audio is routed. So I'm going to try and dumb everything down so even my grandma can understand. So by default, if you go into your settings, whether that be Streamlabs or OBS Studio, and we go to the audio tab, typically you're going to have it set up.
Hold up. Where you go? Where you went? Where you went, y'all? Hold up.
Everything down so
Ooh,
even my
slow down.
grandma can understand.
Settings,
So by default, if you go into your settings, whether that be Streamlabs or OBS Studio, and we go to the audio tab,
audio.
typically you're going to have it set up like this. You'll have your desktop audio, which is going to be pretty much all of your audio coming out of your computer, and then you'll have your microphone / auxiliary audio, which is essentially just your microphone. So we're starting with two different audio tracks. We have the desktop audio, which is all of your computer audio,
Come
including
on, man.
your
I just play
music,
the
whatever
music.
you playing out of your computer, and then you have your mic audio. So obviously,
Oh, hold up, y'all. I just thought of something. We probably only need no dang stream for this. Look at this. Y'all know how I'm just playing music right now on my playing this video. Why the heck I could just do that. I can just do this. Look. Let's put chill long. This how I be finding the music. Lofty. copy. If y'all ever try to do some YouTube videos or something, this is where I go find the music like this. Then I just click on something. But I want an hour long. Let me go back because I don't want. Well, it don't matter.
You know, I've always found it strange. People really want to save money, but are so willing to toss their hard-earned coin into...
We could just do this. See, look. Let me see if it just play. If I minimize it. Yeah, it's minimized. Alright, I'm finna grab my phone and see how it sound. Y'all give me a second. Hey, he's on the track. He's on the track. Yeah. Hold up, man. Give me a second. Let me go to the stream and see if it's playing. I'm just saying. He's out slaying. Fixing up the stream. And all the music for the GF team. GFT. You know me. It's your boy. It's the real Quise. Hold up. Come on, man. Where the stream at? I should. I don't follow my own. Oh, here we go. Let me see what it sounds like. Y'all give me a second. See what it sounds like. No, I don't even hear it. Let me turn it up. Give me a second. Okay, I can hear it now. Let me see. Let me see about my mic. Hold up. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Yeah, it sounds straight. I think it's straight. Dang, that whole time we figured out ourselves how to do it, y'all. Okay. Alright, I think we good. I'm gonna do it like that for now. That's how we gonna play the music. Whenever we chillin'. When we chillin' on stream. Yeah, join the team. Hold up. Spring fling. Alright, come on, let's see. I think we got the music though, y'all. I think we got the music. And look, see, sometimes you gotta just do stuff and you just figure out. I was just sitting here, I'm like, bruh, we over here listening to the dang reaction video. What if I just search the music on YouTube and just play it and minimize the screen? Like, would it just play the music in the background? And literally, that would happen. We figured it out. Literally figured it out ourselves. Didn't even need no video tutorial. Alright, so what I want to do today. What do I want to do? Oh, that's what I can do. Dang, my bad. Golly, y'all, I press mute on that mug. Hold up. I mean, I exited the dang. I exited the tab we had the music playing on. Let me go back. Put the music back up. My bad. We figured out how to fix it. I mean, make it play, and I ended up exiting. Hold up. We gonna get the party back started. Get the party back started. History. That's it. I gotta research. Yeah, cause it's only playing that one song. We had a whole playlist. Here we go. I need to save this playlist. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna save the playlist to my YouTube. So we can always have it ready. Now we got the beats. Yeah. And we chilling back on the stream. Yeah. What you mean? Yeah. We finna go and chill. On ahead and chill on the stream. Hold up. Y'all know what I mean. Y'all knew what I said. Hey, look, that's one thing. If we in this dang stream and I got music playing, I'm going freestyle. So y'all gonna have to get used to it. I'm going in a freestyle, bro. I just got to. I can't listen to music that don't want to rap. That's just me. That's just Quise. Hold up, okay. I'ma chill. Alright, what I was saying, what I wanna do though, we finna go ahead and get most of this stuff set up for our analysis for tonight. Cause my Ravens gotta play the Steelers. And I'm gonna tell y'all now, we ain't finna do no analysis video in the middle of that dang game. So we gonna have to do the analysis. We're gonna do the analysis stream at like 5:30, 5 o'clock, something like that, maybe 6. Because like I said, I'm not finna miss my Ravens. I'm sorry, y'all. I can't miss my Ravens, man. This win and go home. We don't win this, we don't make it to the playoffs. So I gotta watch. Gotta support. Come on, let me screenshot this, y'all. I'm trying to screenshot this economic calendar, but them lagging. Them lagging. Come on, let me screenshot, man. Trying to do this here. What they playing? It always mess up when I'm streaming. Like when I try to do that dang screenshot, it always mess up when I'm streaming. I don't know why. It worked perfectly fine if I ain't on stream. Hopefully I ain't messed the whole stream up by doing it. I just get it off one stream, yeah, but I think I probably messed something up pressing this dang button 3 times. See, cause I don't even hear our music no more, man. Come on, man. Yeah, put the music back on. We even made the stream lag by mistake. I don't even know how I did that. For now on, we know that's a learning lesson we just got, man. Don't ever press the dang screenshot snippet tool when you on stream, cause it'll lag our stuff bad. Let me make sure it's playing okay. It just lag our stuff too bad when I pressed it. I ain't got time to deal with all that lag. Let me exit this. I should never press that button. Exit. Hopefully we straight. I'm gonna press exit on this too. We gonna leave all this stuff alone. We just gonna look at these charts bumping too. I ain't trying to make this mud lag. Alright. We could just look at the chart. So what I want to do today though, like I was saying, kind of get a quick outlook of what we want to see this week. So, cause y'all know when we do our weekly analysis, we don't be never having time to dang go over the stocks for some reason. Cause I mean, usually cause I'm getting tired by the time we get to the stocks. So that's what we can do now. We can already chart up these dang stocks.
Our lightest, softest, and most energetic foam.
Hold on, we gotta add. But that's what we can do. We can kind of look at the stocks, so we don't have too much stuff to have to do in the middle of our weekly analysis stream later on. Hey man, I should never press that snippet tool. It definitely started making it lag though. I ain't gonna lie. Should never press that snip tool. I don't know why the heck I did that. Like I said, that's learning a lesson. We know now. Don't ever press the snip tool when we in the stream, man, cause it start making that boy lag. Alright, see, this gonna only make it easier for us when we do the analysis video later on, or not analysis stream later on. Cause we gonna already have stuff drawn up. We can just go fly through it for everybody who wanna watch the analysis video. Cause we doing the homework right now, you know. Looking at this though, SPY. Looking at SPY, what we see? Let me delete that. I see. Let me hide this real quick. First, we looking at the monthly. Monthly, we initially off red right now for January. Previous month was green. We did make a higher high, so we do got a higher low on SPY. So this is an uptrend for SPY. Yes, we dropped hard on Friday, but we definitely made an uptrend on the monthly. So unless somehow this month come all the way back down, make a lower low, you know, or close red and lead us to making a lower low, I think I'm bullish on the monthly because we got higher high, higher low, higher high. Only thing we just didn't close past that high. That's the only thing that sucked. We did not close past this high for the continuation. So all that's kind of telling me on this monthly is we might pull back some, then go right back up to retest this high. What's this high? 687.67. That's all that's kind of telling me. I'm bullish on the monthly. Look at that weekly real quick. See what that weekly look like. That weekly we got high, low, higher high, potentially new higher low. It's red, but we gotta wait till a green week comes. So gotta wait. But we'll be using this as that base though. If we were to still use this as the solidified low, the lower this counter, this November 17th counter. Alright, going to the daily. Like we said, Friday we dropped hard. It really wasn't that hard on SPY though. I mean, we dropped from, well, I guess you could say that hard. See, I'm so used to looking at futures that I'm looking at a $2-3 or $4 drop on SPY. I'm saying it's not hard of a drop, where when it comes to options, especially SPY, shoot, $2 or $3 is a lot. So when you drop from 86 all the way down to 81, 80, shoot, that's $6 drop. That's a big drop. It's just your mindset of moving 100 points and stuff from futures. It kind of make you trick you a little bit, like, boy, $2 drop ain't nothing. Well, what kind of song is this they playing? I can't even freestyle this, man. What this is? Oh boy, we ain't gonna skip it because one of y'all might like this song, so I ain't gonna skip it. But yeah, looking at that data, we got higher high, lower low, high low, higher high. Okay, so now we solidify this down here. 680, 648. What it was, 648.93. I think I marked it already. No, I ain't get the mark. Okay. Hold up. Okay, there you go. I about to say, well, my drawings ain't right. So we did mark it. When it got solidified. We said this potentially could be a higher low inside the trend right here. So we're gonna wait and see. Yeah, looking at SPY, we end up switching to a downtrend right now. So this is what, if we had to look at our trend, if we looking at structure, what are we inside of right now? We're inside the pullback stage, because we got what, high, low, high, and then we switch to a downtrend. It's the pullback stage right now. Pullback stage. We don't, since we know we're in the pullback stage, we don't really care nothing about what's going on right now. You see that? We don't care about none of this. As long as it don't break number 2, we alright. You know, if for to be long, to go long. It don't matter how far down this mud drop. Let me move this out the way. It don't matter how far down this mud drop. As long as it don't break number 2, the Bulls still got the control. So it can do whatever it want to do inside here. You know, as long as it don't break number 2, and we eventually come break number 3, good for the longs. But right now, since it made it low, high, lower, low, downtrend, so it is confirming we're in the pullback for me. So at this point, since we made a downtrend, it has to bounce off of one of these fair value gaps for me to go long. So either bounce here to go up like that, or come bounce down here to go up. Because these are the only 2 gaps we got to protect number 2, so it got to bounce at one of these 2, you know. So if you going long, if you want to go long, you bullish, it gotta bounce at one of them 2 gaps. Has to. So all you waiting on is first it gotta touch the gap. You know, first it got to touch the gap. Once it touched the gap, all you're looking for is an uptrend to start forming on a lower time frame or on this time frame if you don't want to switch to a lower time frame. Just look for uptrend to start forming. So I think Friday we touched the gap. Let me see. Let me delete this. Dang, what the? Come on. What a drawing thing? Oh, it's over here. I'm like, where's my drawing thing? Delete. Hey, we can delete this. I don't really need this stuff right now. It's just adding clutter. Hey, Alright, like I said, yeah, it did touch it Friday. Let's go to a lower time frame, probably the hour, see if we made an uptrend. Made a higher high. If we can break this high right here at 683, loans definitely look good to go back up to this gap to potentially lead us up to that 691. So I'm definitely gonna set an alert there. Come on. Nah, that's one alert. I don't want no line. Put alert there. Because this will make the uptrend off of the fair value gap that we was looking for. And if it breaks, stop loss go here. So let me see. Put what a long tool, a long position tool. So we break here. Stop loss will go here. And of course, first target is up here. But like I said, me personally, especially if I'm buying it on Monday or something, I'm looking to take it all the way to 691 just because if we go back to the daily, what we said, it needs to not break for this uptrend to stay intact. We can't break number 2, right? Can't break number 2. See that? So it has to bounce here or here. You only got 2 options for it to bounce at. And if it already making an uptrend right here, hey, I'm kind of already assuming it should be going here. You know. Now it could very well. We very well can see this happen. It can go up. It can come up, not go up to there. It can come up to this next gap, reverse, and then go right back down and go to this gap to bounce to go higher. So like I said, first target would be this fair value gap here. But seeing while you on that lower time frame, see how it reacts when it gets here. You know, see if it looks like it's gonna continue going higher. Okay. So I do it like this so y'all can just see the first. So it's basically a 1-to-1 risk to reward initially, but then depending on how it looks when it start moving, when it get to the gap, if we can build uptrend inside of it, then you should be able to start seeing us potentially come up to 691. So really this is what we want to see. Once we touch this gap, we want to see it build an uptrend inside the gap to take it to the top. Once it gets to the top, we just want to see an uptrend form above the gap after that, and then we should be pretty much in the clear, you know. So all right, that's what we look for on SPY for the long. Shorts, if we want to be short though, of course, looking at this, like we said, we did what? We made a downtrend. We had high, low, yeah, low, lower high, lower low. So let me mark that out for y'all. Hold up, where the music at now? Where the music at? Can I get the music back? All right, so we made that lower low. What we want to see, it did touch the bottom of this gap. What we kind of want to see is if it do retest this gap up here, you know, if it do retest that gap, we just want to see it end up closing back inside this fair value gap down here to continue them shorts. But honestly, since it closed red Friday, we may not even have to come, you know, retest this up here since it closed Friday. We very well can open up, barely get a little wick, and then go straight down into the gap. You know what I'm saying? We might not even have to retest. We might could just do this. Might could just open up, go up a little bit, and then come straight down into the gap like that. since we closed red. Now, if it was a green candle, then yes, we got to go back to the other side of the gap. But technically, since it was red, we don't have to go to the next gap. You get what I'm saying? We don't have to go back up here. It's a chance we can, because we did fail to close in here, but we don't have to. You get what I'm saying? So if you're looking to go short, all you looking for is a downtrend on the hourly. And the biggest thing, you don't want us to break this lower high right here at 689.20. That's why I got alert. Y'all see I got alert with the line here. This is for the shorts. If you want to be short on this daily candle, we do not want it to break 689.20. You break that, get out the shorts, leave the shorts alone completely. Or if we see we got our low, we make a high, then we make a low and then a higher high, get out. Even if it don't even touch that, you know, because it's making that uptrend, especially if it's doing it inside this gap. If it's doing it underneath this gap, you still probably can hold your shorts. But once it make an uptrend inside of this daily gap above here, we got to get out. We can't even fool with it, man, for real, because that's gonna be some trouble. But yeah, for the short, possibly I say just wait on the downtrend to form. Right now, it made a higher high, made a low, made a high. If you make a lower low, you could look to get in short, set your stop loss at that most recent solidified level, and look to take it back down to this gap and see if we can actually start building base inside this gap to continue going down. All right, so that's what we looking for SPY. We're gonna kind of run through this because this ain't the real analysis. I mean, it's like we doing analysis now, but it's not the real analysis video, you know. Because of course we ain't finna have no music playing in the background or nothing. Ain't gonna have no music playing in the background. Oh, that beat kind of hard, y'all. Hey, yeah, Quise on the track. We finna get the 101. 2 risk rewards. I don't even know, I'm just rapping cause I'm bored. No I'm not, cause we finna make this money a lot. Yeah. Look, I told you I'm a freestyle. Y'all gonna have to deal with it, bro. Even if I don't care, y'all say Keisha, you ain't got no bars. Hey, oh well, we finna rap. Cause the beat on. You know what I'm saying? I just gotta do it, man. The beat on. Good thing we ain't see no entries go long, but we really got towed up. And that's the thing. Look at this, y'all. See, that's another thing I want y'all to see, man. I will see something. You know, you can see something at first, right? You can see, oh, potentially we can go long, like right here. Where we was trying to go long at on QQQ. I think I said if it's like an hourly uptrend or something, I had to go back and watch the stream. Why I got these drawings. I think I was waiting on like potentially hour uptrend. It never gave it that uptrend, so you never took the long, you know? That's all it is. You never took the long. You see this? Made a low, high, lower low. Then we made high, low. We did make a higher high here, but we went right back down, you know? So you never had an uptrend to get into this trade. So that's the thing I want y'all to see and know. What the heck is this? Great limit order. Oh my. Boy, when TradingView got a lot of updates that happened lately, y'all. Wow. Now that's slick fire. I ain't even gonna lie. If y'all don't know what this is, when they say create limit order, basically y'all see how we can put our drawing tools right like this. Like we can put a long or a short. You can press. So if I press this and I press create limit order, I don't know if it's gonna let me do it because the market closed, and I'm connected to a futures account. I ain't connected to. Yeah, it ain't gonna let me do it. But you can pretty much set. It'll already have your TP set, stop loss set, and where to get in it. Like soon you press create limit order. So basically, say if I'm not looking at this chart, but I got this drawing, this is what I want to, you know, take my positions on and stuff. Like say if I say, hey, I want to get in off of this fair value gap bounce or something, and this would be my stop loss, and I already know where my stop loss want to be, target everything. And say market was up here. If market was up here, let me do this. Say if market was up here, if it eases its way down, and comes to my drawing tool, like boom, right, boom, it hit the drawing tool, it'll automatically enter the trade, and it'll automatically have my stop and TP set automatically, just off my drawing tool, and I can already know, oh, this is my risk reward, 169, you know. I mean, yeah, 1.69. I said 169. 1.69. So I'm already knowing my risk reward. I already know where my TP and stop loss at. I already got my drawing tool. Everything. That's cool, man. I ain't gonna lie. I like that. We might try one day on our futures. We ain't gonna do it right now though. We ain't gonna do it right now, but we might try one day on futures. Cause I like that. That's kind of cool, man. I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, let's go to the charts. Like we said, you know what? This is what we're gonna do, cause we technically did an analysis video with Spy. We not go do an analysis video, cause I want to get through some of these charts. So this, what we finna do in this stream right now, we finna just go through everybody daily and see who all look like they getting ready to move nicely. Basically, we're gonna be doing a human version of a scanner. If y'all don't know, TradingView do have on a desktop app, they got a scanner on here. I never used it. We might have to do that one day in the stream. Screener, they might say scanner, screener. They got screeners where you can set like, oh, show me only stocks that made a 60% move or got green candles for the previous day. You could set like different filters, and it'll only show you all them stocks or all them futures that got your criteria. So you can kind of be like, oh, I want to only look at ones that got a new higher high, you know. And you can, because you might be like, oh, I like taking longs, so I only want to trade the stock that just made a higher high, or you know, in an uptrend or something. We're gonna try it out one day. We'll probably try it out later tonight. But this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna just go to the dailies, and we're gonna see who dailies look like it got potential to go crazy either direction. We really don't care. So looking at QQQ. And who, if y'all in here, say what up, man. If y'all got some questions that y'all want me to go over something real quick, let me know. Cause like I said, this chill with Quise stream. Chill with Quise stream. Oh, look, if you ain't in the Discord, I'm going to make a video for this. Like, we're gonna make YouTube videos explaining GFT strategy specifically and everything. But if you weren't in the Discord, hey, you in this stream though, you getting some free sauce. This is what I shared to the Discord about entries. Basically, it's an entries model right here. This is how we like to get in. Y'all know I do that uptrend, downtrend religiously. I believe in higher lows and lower high. Okay, but I was telling them like, hey, the B plus entry is when number 3 right here. Number 3 crosses number 1. Okay, stop loss will be at number 2. So basically, whenever we see, if we in an uptrend and we see a high, low, boom, finna make that higher high. But it gotta be a green counter doing it. If it's a red counter doing it, like, well, really, this thing, you ain't gonna know if it's a red or green counter. It depends on your time frame. Because if you're on the hourly and it cross, you got so much time to flip back red. If you're on a 5 minute, more likely you're gonna have a green counter down here. So when it crossed, it actually, you know, actually made a higher high. Like I said, I'm gonna make a video so I can explain it a little bit better for y'all. But the basis of it, when we start moving back up and we cross number 1, get in, stop loss at number 2, and of course your target is whatever the previous highs was, or if you don't got no highs, if we at all-time highs, you just go to a lower time frame. Once we cross here and you get in, go to a lower time frame and just follow the solidified levels on the lower time frame until they break and then get out. All right, and then the A plus entry, this is getting in at number 4 when we get a green candle. Stop loss still at number 2 because that's your solidified level. Reason why I say that this is the A plus is because we already established the uptrend. We already made high, low, higher, high. We already got a solidified level. All we need is a pullback and get us a green candle until us we're trying to go back up. Once we get our green candle, we can get in and go long. That's the difference between the B plus and A plus entry. The B plus entry, we need to cross number 1. We can't just get in just because it turned green here, you know. can't get in because we don't got no solidified level. It can come right back down. So the B plus, you gotta wait till it cross number 1. The A plus one, all we need is just a green counter. We don't need it to come cross nothing. Just make a green counter when it comes that pull back, and then we set our stop loss at number 2. We can get in because we already established. The reason why we only need a green counter because we already established the trend. We already got a solidified level. With number 3, we don't got a solidified level until what? We cross number 1. See that? So that's why you gotta wait till it cross number 1 on number 3. Alright, I just got off a little tangent right there. My bad, y'all. We supposed to be looking to see who stocks looking good, man. I'm out here doing all that extra talking. But like I said, we're gonna make videos of it. GFT strategy here in the near future. You know, step by step how to do it. But if you in the Discord, you already got it. You know, you already got everything. Looking at QQQ. QQQ, that's crazy. SPY is in. Oh, hold up. We on replay. I was finna say, well, we how the heck QQQ in an uptrend and SPY was in downtrend. So QQQ, we got high, low, lower, low, downtrend right now. So we in the pullback phase. This is the can be level. Let's see what that risk reward look like if we just got in right now. Long. Yeah, it ain't the greatest. Let's see. A 1.5. Yeah, we're gonna just chill on this. If it was a green counter, we'd be like, okay, time to get in. We ain't got no green counter though. Let's jump to ES. Let's see what ES looking like. ES gonna look like ES, NQ, and them gonna look the same, y'all. Y'all know they the same thing. They the same thing. They the same thing. Okay, we got. Oh, that's solidified level for ES all the way down here. That's a huge drop. Yeah, ES still didn't make a new solidified level. But same thing, you gotta wait on the green. Look for this to get respected right here. 67.71. Need a green counter if you want to go long though. Don't really look like nothing crazy just yet. God dang, what all this is? Come on, man. This probably I was teaching somebody something. I think that what it was. What the heck all this is? Delete all these extra lines. All we need is one green counter literally can get this thing ready to jump. But I ain't gonna say, cause look, y'all gotta look at it. What we said earlier. Can't just get in off a green counter now. Cause look, got high, low. Just cause close green don't mean we can get in, cause we ain't got number 3 yet. Boom. Yeah. We gotta have number 3 first. So, I mean, you can get in, but you better get on a lower time frame and follow those solidified levels all the way up. Alright, but you at least need a green counter to get you started though. Let's go look at gold. Is gold looking like it's ready to do something? Okay, gold making downtrend. Gold coming down. Man, come on, delete all this stuff. Gold coming down though. It disrespected this level. Okay. So it broke that level. The next level is down here at 41. 93. So we got low, high, lower, low. Actually, gold actually look like you can go ahead and get in them shorts. Style loss up here. Cause they did this is basically, let me show y'all. This number 3 already. Low, high, lower, low. We just already crossed. See that? Now it look like we're doing a little pullback, but it wasn't a green candle, so still can just drop. I'm thinking gold short, y'all. This probably was a beautiful entry right here. When it pulled back and came up here, dang, could have got in. Cause this once number 3 came and solidified this, y'all. Look at this. Dang, I wish we seen that. It still look real nice though, cause the target all the way down here. Gold actually look real good. But look, once number 3 came, look at this. One, let me turn the matting off. 1, 2, right? Boom. Soon number 3 came, it solidified number 2, right? So any type of pullback coming up here, we don't care. We ready to take a short because we done solidified number 2. It should not take it. But look how close it got to number 2. Oh my goodness. Look what your risk reward would have been. Look at this, man. Oh my goodness. I'm sorry I ain't see them. That's because we was in them dang MQs on Friday. Look at gold, bro. Look at this risk reward. Oh my goodness. Well, actually, you know what? Let's go to a lower time frame because you will have to wait till it make a downtrend first. So where did it make the downtrend at? High, low, higher, high. This did make it. Oh, it ain't really give you the downtrend entry. You would have missed it a little bit. You would have missed a little bit of it, but still, if y'all was here early in my old streams, I used to tell y'all if I got a solidified level and we real close to it, sometimes I'm just taking that chance because I don't even need the dang structure for it. Cause I'm already knowing it ain't supposed to break this. I'm finna get in just cause it's close to it. You know? Oh, you did get a downtrend entry on the 1 minute. Here you go, right here. Look. God dang, come on, I ain't trying to move the drawing. It still look good though. I ain't gonna lie, gold look good. We might trade gold this week, y'all. Look, right here. Low, high, lower, low. Boom. That's the number 3 stop loss right there. So you really could your stop loss didn't even have to be up here. It could have been right there. But even if you put it up there, let's see what that risk reward was. That risk reward, cause target, where your target supposed to be make a lower low. Target supposed to be, oh, I got a drawing block. Target supposed to be make a lower low. Dang, look at that, 1 to 22, to basically 1 to 23 risk reward. And then if it do break this daily fair value gap and come down to here and can close the side, because what's the actual target on the daily? This is the actual target on the daily right here, y'all, to make that lower low. So look at this risk reward, y'all. Almost a 1 to 40 risk reward. Oh my goodness, boy. You ain't risking nothing at all. That's crazy. Let's go back to that one. I just want to see if I did get in. Let me see how much that really would have took from us. So, continue, replay. Oh, you can't do it on the 1 minute? Ah, dang. Never mind then. Let me get off. Hold up, why I say it on is this? Man, we was on gold. What the heck y'all got us on? Zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. 1 minute. I thought you can do replay on 1 minute. Start new. Okay, there you go. Come on, zoom in. Let's just see. I just want to see. Soon they made it. I just want to see how much we would have risked. With 1 micro. Let's see. Sell. That one made that lower low. Stop loss. Of course, we know this for video. This is that new solidify low. So $34. But let's just say we set it up here instead of right there. Even though we know that's a solidify low. Boy, you only risking about $100 on 1 micro. And what our target was at? Let's see what our target was at. You risked $100 to make, boy, 1,200. Of course, futures, prop firm, we gotta close at the end of the day, so you wouldn't even got your 1,200. But I'm just saying, if it did go all the way to target in 1 day, boy, you only risked $100 to make 1,200 on a micro. That's crazy. That's crazy. Even if you just sat here and took 200, you risk 100 for 200. That's crazy. I like gold though. Gold got a lot of room to the downside, y'all. It did, because it at least gotta come here first. It at least gotta come take this low right here. At least gotta come take this low to keep the, the complete his job or whatever. Cause I don't see no other fair value gap is bouncing off of. So I'm at least suspecting it to come take that low. That thing look beautiful. Even if we get a green candle, this is a solidify level up here. So even if we get a green, just wait on the first red, get in. All right, let's go. It's about time for me to end this stream because I gotta go eat dinner. And like I said, I will be back before I announce the video in about 5 p.m. So basically like 2 hours and a half. Looking at YM. YM. Gold look good though. I like gold, y'all. YM. We got higher high. Yep. Okay. Low, high. Did we make a lower low? Dang, we did make a lower low. So technically, YM is made a lower high, lower low. So technically made a downtrend. This is the pullback. If it get a red candle, the short should be coming through. If it don't come and take this high. So this the pullback right now. It's in the pullback stage. Look, low, high, lower low. Okay, this the pullback spot. So this number 4, y'all. This number 4. We get a red candle. We definitely should be looking for the shorts. Style loss at number 2. And it definitely should come take number 3. So like this. So say we somehow get a red candle up here. Style loss here. See that? Aim for number 3. Cause that's the low. And that's your trade. YM look decent. You just gotta wait on a red candle though. That's if it just goes straight greens and take this and make a higher high, then it's off the board because it took the solidified level. You know. All right. Look at CrowdStrike. Man, this was my A+ trade, y'all. We've been marinating. I ain't gonna lie. We've been babysitting this CrowdStrike trade for the longest, bro. Like, I've been looking at CrowdStrike for about 3 weeks, y'all. We literally broke them down on the weekly. Took it to the daily, everything. Like we broke them down to a T. I'm so proud of us. This is like probably my best trade ever that I broke down. You know, it ain't the biggest trade I've made the most money on, but it's the best trade I ever broken down. Like from the weekly all the way down. Like literally we drew this weekly gap. We was like, hey, whichever side it breaks to, we trade in that direction. It broke this direction at the bottom. So this purple box is the weekly gap we was talking about. And I was like, whichever side it break to, that's the side we're gonna, trade to. Man, it broke to this side. We got the retest. I said, all we need is one red week, y'all, and we going down. What happened, man? One red week went down, bro. That done beautiful. But let me go to the daily to see what we looking like. But actually, weekly, we made a lower low, lower high. Yeah, we just in a downtrend. We just in a downtrend on the weekly. Low, high, lower low, pull back, drop. Made that new lower low. So now it might do a pullback, because we did make our lower low already. Or it can just keep dropping to potentially come and take this low. This solidify. If it take that solidified low out, oh my goodness. I'm crazy. That's at 402. That's a $50 drop. But you gotta be careful for them shorts right now, just because we already made a lower low. So we very well can come make a pullback and make a lower high. So, and a lot of times I tell y'all, if you already see a trend, like say it's a downtrend and just made a lower low, you really don't want to get in. Really don't want to get in when it's making a lower low, because at any moment it can pull back. You wanted to get in after the pullback. But looking at the daily, something ain't right. Hold up. Did I delete my drawing? One of the daily gaps somewhere right here. Yeah. Where am I drawing? Did I just delete my drawings, y'all? Oh no, it was this gap. Okay. Yeah, we dropped all the way down. I was about to say. I knew, cause I remember Friday I had got out at a gap and I was like, what the heck my gap hit? Okay, so that's that gap. Looking at this, we did break below this daily gap. What I kind of want to see is if we can build a base below it though. Break, retest, drop. So I just need downtrend to build underneath it. Because the next target ain't until, of course we got gaps here that it can bounce. But the next true lower low, if we make a downtrend in here, is all the way down at 420. Oh my, that's a $30 drop. Yeah, if I see low, high, then lower, low, I'm getting in, y'all. I'm getting in. I'm holding that mother 420. Because there's a full downtrend underneath the gap. Like I said, it is some gaps over here, though. So you do got to kind of, probably can't hold it 4. Might got to hold it 440 first. Until we see it break underneath it. But still, it's still nice if we make a downtrend. But it do got, I gotta say, it do got some gaps in the way. That's, we ain't had no gaps. We've been beautiful. I ain't gonna lie. I mean, it potentially got room for a $10 drop. That's still nice. That pretty much, if you put, say you put $100, probably gonna make 1,000 off that $10 drop. Depending on how long it take though. But yeah, it looks straight though. It got some room to drop. It's just if it do low, high, and that lower low all just happen, like that next red count just go mostly here, you probably don't want to get in. NVIDIA. See what NVIDIA looking like. If y'all got any questions, go ahead and ask them though. Like I said, it don't matter if y'all want me to look at something, or if y'all just got questions on why I'm thinking what I'm thinking or something, I can explain a little bit more. NVIDIA. Okay, we made a higher high. Okay, we broke the structure here. Oh, we actually. Oh, dang, we kind of missed a little bit of this NVIDIA. We made a higher high here, right? Higher high, boom, higher, a low, then boom, that made that higher high, uptrend. So now, this was number 3 for us. That was number 3. Let's mark that out. That was 1, 2, 3 right there. When it crossed number 1, that was number 3. Stop loss supposed to be at number 2, but now we look like we're doing that pullback. All we need is a green candle to go back up. Try to go take number 3. All you need is a 1 green candle. Stop loss at number 2. So let's see. Long. Let's say we get. It's more likely to look like the green candle gonna have to happen in here. I mean, it could happen down here at this gap though. So let's put it here if it be happening at that gap. Stop loss there. Aim for the previous high, which is up here, I think. Yeah. That'd be your trade for the video. Dang, that's a nice trade though. If that green candle come around here at 185, take it up to 192, that's a beautiful trade. And I really think it'll go to the top of the gap if it feel that uptrend up here. So you might see it go to 194 if it make that green candle back inside. Look at Meta real quick. I ain't looking at Meta in so long, y'all. Meta. That's why I ain't been looking at Meta. I know why. My dang chart broke, y'all. I need one of y'all. If y'all in the stream and y'all don't trade, can y'all please go to y'all Meta chart for me and tell me if y'all got this wick on here? Cause mine's got the wick on here, bro, and I don't know why. Like, cause when I look at the daily, it got this big old wick. But watch this when I drop down to like the hourly. We never went up there, bro. Look at this. We never came up to 704, 706. So why the heck is that on my daily? Like, why is it on my daily? If y'all in here and y'all on TraderView, can y'all please look at that and tell me if y'all see the same thing? Cause that's literally the only reason I'm not trading Meta. Cause it's I don't want to. I can't put my levels when it's looking like that. So that's why I literally left Meta alone. After I seen that happen, and I think this happened after Thanksgiving or something, wasn't it? Like, nah, this is December. Well, still, it messed up my chart, and I'm not finna trade when it looking like that. So we gonna keep skipping Meta until we get away from this area. Cause I don't know why my chart looking like that, man. Tesla, we called Tesla to a T. Why the heck? This chart do look crazy, but we called Tesla to a T, y'all. We said Tesla to 451, it went down to 430, y'all. we said 451. That mother went to 430. Look, we said soon it break this gap, it's coming down to the 451 gap. And that mother came down there and kept going. Kept going. That's the two good trades we call, y'all. We call CrowdStrike and Tesla, and we made our money. Looking at Tesla though, we did break this, so we broke all these potential higher lows. So let's delete that. Let's delete this one. Did we break it? Let's make sure we broke it. What's this low? It's 435.30. Oh, we didn't break it. We close to it. We didn't break it. 435.30. Yeah, and then this low is 435.25. We are 5 cents away. We ain't break it, so we still gonna keep that line. Honestly, high, low, higher, high, but then we just made a lower low. We don't got a number 3, so honestly, you can't even jump in this Tesla right now. Based off the daily. If you're on the lower time frame, maybe, but the daily you can't jump in. Reason being is because we don't got a number 3. We just got this, just a low. So we made a high. Let me mark it out so y'all can see. Made a high, made a low, then we made a higher high, right? We made a higher high. Mark that away. But then we came right away to what? Just straight making a lower low. We ain't even got no pullback yet. So we ain't even got number 2 or number 3 yet to make the full downtrend. We just straight dropping. So honestly, if you ain't getting in when it first crossed up here, you taking a chance on the daily to get in some short. Cause you ain't got no type of pullback to establish the downtrend just yet. It's just straight dropping. Now, like I said, if you get in on the lower time frame, you good. Cause you actually got downtrend on here. You see that we got low, high, lower, low, low, high, lower, low, low, high, low. So you got the downtrend on the lower time frame. But that daily, boy, you taking a risk. Cause one green candle could literally pull us all the way back up. One green candle could lead us to going right back to high highs. You ain't got no solidified level. So daily, leave that mug along on this daily. Leave that mug along on a daily. If you gonna trade Tesla, trade it on the lower time frame that you got solidified levels to hide behind. It's like if I'm on that hourly, okay, well I know I got solidified level right here. So at the most, Tesla, you better not come up here, 460. That's like you got somewhere to stop yourself. That daily, you ain't got the only way you know that we gonna switch back bullish is once we take this dang high. So you ain't got nothing to stop yourself all the way till we take that high. Hey, that's just risky. Too risky. Walmart. Hold on, let me see if dinner ready though. I think it is. If it is, we gotta stop right now, y'all. Sorry. Like I said, I will be back around 5:36. Let me see if dinner ready. She gonna text me, let me know. Walmart. Okay, oh snap, Walmart got some potential, y'all. Hold up. Walmart might be a little ready. Hold up, man. We got it. We got Walmart. I like Walmart. I like how it's looking. Look at Walmart. We got higher high, higher low, higher high. So the last solidified level we got is right here. All the way down here. Let's mark that out. I like Walmart chart, y'all. Hold up. Walmart might get ready to shoot back up. At $98.68 is our last solidified level. Alright, make sure. Yeah, that's it. But look at this though. So we knew what? We was in the uptrend making higher highs. Pullback. It's the pullback spot. Let me see. Take the magnet off. Boom, making that high. Okay. We got this last chart we're gonna go over. Then we gotta go eat, man. So this the pullback. Once it made that downtrend, we know we made a pullback. Now at this point, we know we're making a pullback. You see that? Then once it make an uptrend, okay, we know we're trying to come back up. But whenever we see that downtrend, we need to see it what? Bounce off a fair value gap. Well, let's see. Did it bounce off a fair value gap? Let's see. If it didn't, we can't do it though. We can't get in. If it did, we can get it in because this mud looking nice to go up. Potentially. Oh, did it touch it? It did. Uh-oh. Tell y'all Walmart might be ready to go long. Alright, what we see? What we said our rule is. We got high, low, high, up. Knock it out. High, low, high, right? Even if we get a pullback, we don't even care. We like the pullback. Pullback comes, if we get a green counter, we going long, aiming for number 3. Potentially aiming up for this next high up at 116. Mark that out. Put that green. Let's make it green. But guess where our stop loss at? That's why I say I'm liking Walmart. Get where the stop loss at, y'all. Once we cross number 1 with number 3, where your stop loss will be at number 2. So I love if we can get a pullback. I think we probably just gonna shoot straight up, but I love if we can get a pullback and don't break number 2 because long positioning tool. Say we get a pullback. Say we get some little red candle and then a green candle come, right? So let's say it happen like right here. Stop loss at number 2. Stop loss at number 2. Of course, your first target supposed to be the high. You know, it might be like a 1-to-1 risk to reward, but your ultimate target, where the next high technically is up here, all the way up here. Swinging that mug, swing Walmart back to 116 would be nice if you can get it out for like 2-3 weeks. Let's look at that weekly though. Weekly close green also, so we might be setting to make that new higher low. It's a chance we're trying to set to make this new higher low, so you might can swing it all the way back to them highs. Mike can swing it all the way back to the highs. But your stop loss on that daily is, what's this low? 111.12. That's your stop loss. It's a new solidified level. So, like I said, I would love if we can get a pullback, but we might just shoot straight up. We might not even get no pullback. Because it's so close. A lot of time market don't like giving people beautiful entries. It just shoot straight up, you know. Hey, I like the Walmart though. Even if we do get it up here, our target all the way up there. Like I said, you probably can swing it probably a week or 2. This is the daily target. This is the weekly target up here if we do want to take that weekly high. Dang, that mother look nice. I ain't gonna lie. Walmart look nice, y'all. Got that up trend forming and everything. But even if you do lose, man, you get in at 112 and you getting kicked out at 111. That ain't a dollar drop, ain't nothing at all. And you, especially when you aiming for $5-6 move to the upside, you know. But all right, y'all, we're gonna go end it right here. Like I said, I'm gonna come back. We're gonna do our analysis. Around 5:36. Cause like I said, I gotta do it before my Ravens game. I'm sorry. We can't stream it during the Ravens game. Sorry. Now we losing bad. Like we somehow lose against the Steelers, which I ain't wishing on that. We somehow losing bad against the Steelers. Now y'all might see me back on stream. Got my spirits back up. Gotta bring my spirits back up. But y'all have a good one. Your boy Quise is